Halo guys, bertemu lagi di channel saya YERDE. Mari kita membuat maskot logo BUDII01 Gaming ya. Nah, pertama kalian harus mempunyai screenshotan dari FF kalian ya guys, buat contoh. Pertama kita ambil tools dulu, terus ke horizontal ya guys. Horizontal guys, kita sejajarin dulu buat matanya sama maskernya ya guys ya. Oke, setelah itu langsung kita ke tools lagi, ke pen. Mari kita ambil ballpoint pen ya guys, ballpoint pen. Nah, mari kita buat dulu dari matanya ya guys. Kurang besar nih. Oke, kita besarin dulu guys ya. Jangan lupa di opposite-nya dikurangin dulu. Oke. Ini versi saya ya guys. Ya maaf kalau nggak mirip sama punya Budi ya. Setelah itu kita ke rambutnya. Makanya agak sedikit bersih. Kita ke rambut dulu guys.
Feel uninvited, left home in West LA, I'm not excited, so uninspired, on my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder, she loves me, yeah, she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer, just wanna touch like back when we were younger, yeah. Why don't you love me, love me?
Nah guys, oke, udah selesai nih. Kita bersihin dulu ya polanya. Bersihin dulu polanya guys. Kayaknya salah ini dari atas nih. Kita hapus dulu. Kadang aplikasi gratisan ngebug guys. Biasa keluar. Nah, dikit lagi ya. selesai lagi pembuatan polanya ya. Mari kita langsung ke pewarnaannya guys. Seperti biasa kita membuat halaman baru, terus turunin flower ya guys. Lalu tools, pen seperti biasa, masuk ke pewarnaan. Kita pilih warna dulu guys. Ke
And on believing, and on till we're all cried out, 'cause we don't feel like throwing it all away. We don't feel like it. This time it's not about escaping. We don't feel like it. We don't feel like it. Cause we don't feel like throwing it all away.
Oke guys, saatnya kita ke shading ya. Bayangannya guys, kita ambil warna hitam pekat ya. Terus kita ke ini aja dulu. Lalu opacity-nya kurangin guys. Nice. Udah, tinggal ikutin aja dulu.
And I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe and I don't wanna die. Can we stop this gravity? 'Cause I don't wanna say goodbye. I laid awake just begging to let go. I almost got to suicidal thoughts, but you stepped in. An angel sent from heaven showed me how to live again. Now I'm falling and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe and I don't wanna die. Stop this gravity. gravity. Gravity.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want it bad. I'm gonna show you where it's at, yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one. Working hella hard until I get just what I want, yeah. Rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooters gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I won, yeah. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.